This episode of the BasicOps MCP recipe series will cover the project creator. This prompt is a useful tool to easily create a detailed project from scratch in less than 5 minutes. After placing the MCP recipe into the chat, my AI assistant will help me specify the project's purpose and preferences. I want to make a recurring task workflow for testing bugs, so I feed that information to my AI assistant and it automatically starts to create the project. You can add any additional details you'd like to see in BasicOps, such as assignees, to your prompt. The BasicOps MCP connection is a powerful tool and is able to help with all the little tidbits in your workspace. You can see the project appear here in my projects list after a short delay. My AI assistant also created subdividers to help me organize my workflow. Then it will create your tasks. Each one will have a description and due date. You can now add, edit, or remove anything from this project, making things even more customizable. The Project Creator MCP recipe allows you to hit the ground running on any upcoming projects. Check out the Project Creator and more MCP recipes at www.basicops.com/MCP. Thank you.